Okay, so today I wanted to do a service video at the bench. We're servicing an Aurora 440 QE Bernina. So I wanted to talk about some of the things we do for service on the Bernina machine. You can see here we use ESD supplies. This is an ESD mat with the wristband. You want to wear this while handling the Bernina machine. We use an air ionizer. So the air ionizer, we turn this on when we start working on electronic equipment to ionize static in the air, so we don't get electronic static discharged into machines. You see we keep an ESD sign, so even if people come into the shop, you know, maybe a customer or something, if we're showing them something, they're aware this is an ESD protected area. You don't want to just touch electronic parts. So yeah, we get it ESD protected. We use trays to keep track of all the screws, every single screw that comes out of a machine. And then when we go through and servicing this style of Bernina in particular, a shuttle service is very important. So we actually disassemble the shuttle hook on this machine. You can see this is the basket, the shuttle basket, and then the oscillating hook. We actually totally dismantle that. It's important because gears on a shuttle assembly can accumulate old grease like this. You can see how this is like really yellowed and it has a lot of debris built up in that old grease. So I'm going to clean that off and then go ahead and put new grease on it, re-grease that. And then what we've got on our static mat, you can also see it's grounded. We keep it grounded to something metal. You have to ground these. So you can see these have a bracelet. We hook this bracelet to our hand. It discharges static electricity, so we can handle these parts without discharging static into them and damaging them. They can be very expensive, and sometimes damage to electrical parts doesn't present itself right away. Either it can damage electrical parts then not appear until later on in the machine's life. So yeah, we disassemble the shuttle hook. We clean out all the debris, use the right kinds of oils and all the important parts. Like in particular, Berninas use center bushings. Center bushings are bushings that are high quality. They're actually impregnated with oil at high pressure and high heat. It's like compressed metal, where metal powder is compressed into the center bushing with the oil. But over time, they still need to be re-oiled as the machine runs, or if it's sat for a long time and the oil dries out. Here's another center bushing here. And we have some other oiling spots down below in the machine. There's a center bushing over here, and then all through the take-up head, the take-up arm and the sewing head of the machine. You can see we need to oil through there. There's some different points for oiling as well. It's also important on the Aurora, we're going to go ahead and service the drive system along with the motor. Actually go ahead and blow the carbon out of here. I blow all the carbon out of the motor, and then make sure that the bushing is spinning properly, that it's doing a good job, and test that. Then after we're done, we're going to set the tensions with the bobbin case and then with the upper tension as well, so that the stitches look proper, guarantee the service for a year. So yeah, that's Bernina service. So I thought this would be an interesting video since we had an Aurora 440 all stripped down. You can see here, this is the casing for it. This is the Aurora 440 QE case. So yeah, thanks you guys. If you